Okay, everybody, this video is for the guys at the International Mustang Bullitt Owners Club, and they had asked me, or they had said that I had made the comment that I had the best combination of long tube headers and mufflers for street use, and they all said that, well, if we don't hear it or we don't see a video, it doesn't exist. They all didn't say that, but a couple did, and I get it. So I'm here to do that today. I have BBK LongTubes on this. I have a catted X pipe, and I have MBRP Pro Series mufflers on here. And I'm just going to do a couple of run-bys for you and let you decide. Okay, everybody, in the background you may hear some pops. The sheriff's I'm at the Southern New Mexico State Fairgrounds here, and going to our train building over here. But it's a nice place to be alone and have space with asphalt to do this. But anyway, you'll hear the sheriff's shooting range behind me over here. You'll hear some popping and carrying on. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start it up. It may not be in the picture, but I'm going to run by you at about 1,000 to 2,000 RPM and shift, and you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, gang. This shot is going to be just idling, and then we'll move on to other things. Okay, in this shot I'm going to try and come by the camera at about 2,000 RPM, and I'm going to run it up to about 4,000 to 5,000 RPM, and you can hear the difference in the loudness.